Yo everyone, I'll just quickly show you how to make a company in ARK ATOMIC. It's pretty much what it is. It's you can make a company, you can invite your tribe members, and like then you have like when you deposit your store credit into the company, your tribe can also use that credit to buy something. So like if they need like 5 credit, they don't need to ask you to deposit to give you some. You can just take a bit from the company and just just use it. So to make one, it's slash company company create, then name, so let's just say tribe of nuns, then currency ticker NT. It doesn't really matter because like it's just personal, but it's gonna be the right thingy anyway. So then enter, you make it. So it has been made. To invite someone, you do slash company invite, pretty simple, and then just user EY. Let's just hope he responds in time. Because like it's a really short time that you have to accept it. He has to accept real quick. I'll have to send another one. So make sure that like your tribe's actually paying attention. Unlike eBuy. Okay, so she's already in company. Okay, so now I'm gonna have some deposit like 5. So it's not gonna be like. So then I can slash company withdraw amount 1 currency ticker NT. Do this. Now I have one more in my personal one. Well, I already had a bit, so but it was like it was 50.1 before. Now it's 60.1. So you can just like I could just deposit all of my things into the bank, and you can also give people like different permissions, but you'll figure that out on your own. So yeah, hopefully this helps.